Hey you guys, I am back at it again. I want to decorate my little bar area here with like a white snowy Christmas. So I went to the Dollar Tree again and I picked up a bunch of these little things. Oh, and these are the cutest thing ever, you guys. Look, they're only $1 and they light up. See? It's a little snowman, a Santa Claus, and a little elf. And these are super cheap. They're only $1 each, so about $2 for those. And I plan on putting them on my bar. So yeah, so I'm going to be trying to do vlogmas this year. Last year I missed out on it, but this year I am going to try to do vlogmas. For those of you that don't know what vlogmas is, it is when you try to post a video every day for the month of December. You know, because it's Christmas, so you do vlogmas. I figured it would be fun. So we're going to be doing a few things a little different than couponing. My channel is also about saving money and finding things to do on a budget. So that is what I'm going to be doing for this Christmas. Doing things on a budget. If you saw my previous video, we made a wreath. So today we're going to be making these little like snow candle holders, I guess you could call them. We're going to be this is a candlestick holder, and this is like a little vase they sell at the dollar store. We're going to pretty much glue this on. You know, take this tape off first, glue it on, and then I bought these also from Dollar Tree. Little candles that you can just place inside and it'll be lit up. And then we're going to use some Epsom salt and kind of glue it around to give it that frosted look. And the rest of the stuff here I'm going to be using for that same project. So stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you'll be notified every time I do post a new video. And see how the bar turns out. Alright, hang tight you guys. I'm going to start by getting these little stickers off the bottom of these things. Alright you guys, so that was easier said than done, but I was able to get that sticker off of the bottom. It left a bunch of sticky residue, so I just went ahead and grabbed an alcohol wipe, one of these little alcohol pads, and just kind of rubbed the bottom where the sticker part was, and it came right off. I didn't really have to put any hard elbow grease in to get the sticky stuff off. The alcohol worked wonders. So now all that's left is just to get us some scissors and cut these little tags off of the candlestick or the candle holders. Alright you guys, so now all we're going to do is hot glue these to it. Now you can use any one you want. The Dollar Tree has a few. They have like circles, they have skinnier ones, they have shorter ones, taller ones, whatever floats your boat, whatever you prefer, feel free to grab it. I grabbed these because at my Dollar Tree, these were the only 3. Like they had the other ones, but they were like maybe 2 or 1. But I liked these. They had 3, and the other ones that they had a skinnier neck, so I would have had a hard time getting the candle in it. So that's why I grabbed these. So anyway, what we're going to do, I'm sorry ahead of time for the shaky camera, but I'm trying to hold it so you can see what I'm doing and super glue at the same time. So let's see now. Hopefully this focuses so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just adding a little bit of glue right around here, right around the edge of the candle holder. Now if you have E6000, feel free to use that. That might work a little bit better. They sell that at like Family Dollar, I believe. I hope you guys are able to see that. I was just kind of, I don't know, I just had the camera there. Alright, and I'm going to place it. I'm trying to center it. Hold on. Alright, so that's all of them, the 3. Now we're just gonna give it a little bit of time to dry, and I'm gonna go grab my Epsom salt from under the sink. Alright, so once it dries, give it a good, I mean, if you have the time, give it like a good hour or two. But make sure it's nice and dry, which mine should be. And I'm going to be using Mod Podge. So I'm going to paint the outsides of these with Mod Podge, and then I'm going to sprinkle some Epsom salt on it to stick. And then I also have a little bit of some silver glitter from another project that I'm also going to sprinkle on it, and that's going to give it like the snowflake kind of crystal look that I'm going for. Oh, and FYI, just in case you guys are wondering, Epsom salt is really good for like your grass or your plants if you're trying to get them nice and green. I guess I'm assuming it's the magnesium that's inside of the Epsom salt that when it dissolves and the water and the plants like suck it up in the water, it makes them like a beautiful bright green. Just in case you're wondering, I was looking for a way to make my grass greener, and I found out through Google that Epsom salt worked, and I tried it and it did work. It was awesome. But anyway, let's get to painting this. We're getting off topic. Let's get to painting this. So where is my paint brushes? Oh, and if you're wondering, you can also get this Mod Podge from the Dollar Tree. They do also sell Epsom salt, but I got this specific brand of Epsom salt from Family Dollar for I think like $2 or $3. Alright, you guys, and this is the first one. You can see there is a couple patches, but that is okay. I'm going to go back over that with a little bit more Mod Podge and do it again. But this is pretty much how it'll look, the finished look, from crystal clear to nice and frosted. And then we're going to throw one of these candles in there. So don't go anywhere. We're going to do one more coat of this. And then we're going to put some Mod Podge on it to seal it and sprinkle a little bit of silver glitter. Alright, so this is the first coat. We are going to be doing one more coat though, and we're going to be throwing some, what do you call it on there? Glitter. So this is how it looks after the first coat. Alright, you guys, so that's it. Super quick, super simple, super easy. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button with the bell to be notified when I post another video for making my bar, my snowy white night bar. Thanks for hanging with me, coming on my adventure. Bye!